Hey guys, our first ever horse riding through bushlands and hills in a scenic trail. Welcome to HiroMeshu channel. This is one of the most unique and special experience I've ever had. Horse riding was in my bucket list for a long time, but I was always scared to do it. One of our friends came down from Sydney, so he wanted to do horse riding. Thanks to him, I gathered my courage and we went horse riding. We booked our horse riding tour with Uncle Neves. They're approximately 59 kilometers away from Melbourne CBD and it's about a 1 hour and 15 minutes drive. As a beginner for horse riding, I can highly recommend their service with the experience I had. We did the 2-hour homestead track and back ride. I couldn't record the initial footage because I was a little nervous. I was trying to learn how to ride the horse and also to control it the way I want. But I must say, it was very interesting and also I got to learn on the job. It was easy after that. The most adventurous part was the galloping. Boy, it was so much fun. After riding for about 40 to 45 minutes, we stopped for refreshments. If you too are planning to do horse riding, make sure you wear proper clothes. Basically, jeans and covered shoes are a must. Our horses too are resting up a bit until we get ready for the second run. Oh, how cute they are. Oh, I forgot to tell you. The name of my horse is Chewy. He's such a good boy and he behaved very well. The trail was absolutely scenic. We could see a lot of wallabies, kangaroos and also rabbits on the way. So you see how comfortable I am with the horse now? Riding it with one hand and recording from the other hand. Ah, this view is breathtaking. I think I found a new hobby. I love horses. This tour actually made me fall in love with horses. Look at this green heaven. Very beautiful. Horses are making the landscape more beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did with horse riding. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, cheers!